Enrich the Earth is a movement of organisations trying to get the most value from the 14 million tonnes of garden and food waste that we throw away. We believe that 1 million tonnes of that, that's the equivalent of 40,000 rubbish trucks, can be used in our gardens. And if we can do that, we'll reduce waste, we'll create better quality soil, we'll fight climate change, and we'll help protect nature. We believe that the best way to deal with reducing the environmental impact of our garden and food waste is to find local solutions. So in the North East, we'll be working with the local authority and community groups to show what can happen. And what we want to do is to use all of that evidence to inspire other local authorities, other areas, to copy the best bits and learn from our mistakes. In the North East, Enrich the Earth is trying to prove that our ambition is possible. We'll be making new sorts of compost, which are peat-free. We'll be trying to reduce the amount of contamination, things like plastics that go into our green waste. We'll be working with community groups to inspire them to act. And we'll be looking at the legislation that's blocking some of the changes that we want to see happen. What we're asking households to do is think about your garden and food waste. Can you compost? Is it practical for you to compost it? If it's not, and you need it to be taken away by the local authority, make sure there are no other materials that are going to lower the value of that. Make sure there are no plastics in it. Make sure it is just garden and food waste. And by doing those things, you can make a really positive impact on the environment. You can cut waste, you can address climate change, and you can help protect nature. Enrich the Earth is a movement. It's deliberately set out to be a movement. It involves retailers, NGOs, academics, and what we're trying to do is open source everything we learn and invite as many organisations to participate as possible. So through the website, you can find lots of different ways that organisations can get involved.